Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store in Motorola Moto E32s. To do this, first let's actually try to find the game. So here in the search we're gonna enter Call of Duty. But as you can see, there's no real results that we're looking for. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings, enter family, parental controls, and right here either disable it entirely or enter apps and games, enter the pin code, increase PG to 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back and try to find the game again, sorry, not that one, it's right here and we can either play it or download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.